Good morning students. बच्चे, as you all know that we have completed our stats book and we have done all the chapters of our part A. Now बच्चे, before starting further, I would like to today discuss with you about the marks distribution of each unit as prescribed by the board till now. If any changes will be there due to this COVID-19 situation, then I will inform you again about the changes. But today we are discussing as the notification or the economic syllabus which is being already provided by CBSE board till now. Hope I have made myself clear. Now बच्चे, I am writing here that economics, the code number of your paper is 030. What is the code number of your exam? 030. And बच्चे, class 11th, and according to which year I am discussing you? 2020 to 2021. Now बच्चे, you have theory of 80 marks and बच्चे you have a project work that is of 20 marks and your exam time will be of 3 hours. Now in this 3 hours बच्चे, your economics is being divided into 2 parts, that is part A. Part A, it is called statistics for economics. Statistics for economics. From this you will be having exam of 40 marks. This part or this book statistics for economics contains 40 marks. In this 40 marks बच्चे, you have MCQs oblique very short answers, that is equal to 10 into 1, that is of 10 marks. What does it mean बच्चे? In your part 1 from statistics book you will get 10 MCQs or some very short questions which will be of 1 marks each, and your total 1 marks question will be of 10 marks in your part A. Then बच्चे, you will be having short answers, that is short question answers, that will be of 3 marks each. That will be of 3 marks each and number of 3 marks questions will be बच्चे, how many 3 marks question you will be having? The number of 3 marks question is 2. So how much questions of 3 marks? 2 questions of 3 marks. It means 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 marks. After this बच्चे, you have next category. This was your first, this was your second, then is your category of short answers, second, and it means that you have, what do you have? 3 questions of 4 marks each. It means that you will be having 3 into 4, that is 12 marks. Then the fourth category you will be having, that will be of long questions, that is long answers. What does it mean? You will be having 2 questions of 6 marks each. 2 questions of 6 marks each. What does it finally means बच्चे? It finally means that you have 2 into 6, that is 12 marks. This is your marking scheme for your part A, first book, that is your statistics for economics. For this part you have बच्चे 1.5 hour, because 2 parts 3 hours, 1 part basically will take your 1.5 hours. Now let's do the total of all the marks, that is 10 marks plus 6 marks plus 12 marks plus 12 marks. What does this total means? The total means 10 and 6, 16. 16 plus 24. That is total 40 marks. So it shows that complete your first part of economics, subject code 030. It consists of 40 marks. In this you have 10 MCQs or very short questions, or you have 3 questions of 2 marks, and you have again 3 questions of 4 marks, and you have 2 questions of 6 marks. Now बच्चे, let me discuss with you about the chapter wise marks distribution of your statistics book. Chapter wise marks distribution of your statistics book. According to chapter wise distribution, Let's take part A. Part A. What does this part A called? Statistics for economics. Statistics for economics. Introduction. Introduction. Which refers to your chapter 1, and then is बच्चे your collection of data, then organization of data, and presentation of data, It is your chapter 2, it is your chapter 3, and it is your chapter